It's Wednesday, so good morning, everybody. Okay, let's get started today, everybody. Before we go into today's lesson, let me make sure I got a video from Pasta, from Milk, and from Squirt, aka Puppy. So let's take a look at the videos they sent about rocks. I remember I said I would share Milk's video first since we didn't get to it yesterday. So yesterday we finished rocks. This will be a great review about what we learned about rocks. So thank you, Pasta, Milk, and Puppy, for sending in a video to help everyone remember what we learned.
Natural resources. There's a rock. I get it from Mitchell Beach. Here, you see?
Yes.
It is a non-living thing. It cannot eat and grow, and that cannot drink water. They cannot have mouth, eyes, and nose, and ears, and hair. So they're just only non-living thing.
Yes.
So that is a rock is a non-living thing. It's so big. It's a missile size. It's a little bit big.
Yes.
Very good,
But
medium.
I found the biggest rock in the world. It's big than we. So let's think about.
Very good. So the first part he said is that rocks are what? Milk, are they living or non-living?
They are non-living things.
Very good. I like that you gave us some background information about rocks before you started talking about your rock. And remember, when it's not too big and not too small, we say it's medium. Very nice.
Rocks. Yes. Rocks can be all kinds of shapes. Rocks can be camouflage. No, rocks cannot camouflage. I forgot.
Yes.
They can be all kinds of size of rocks. Rocks. Can you spell rock word for me?
Rock.
Wait.
What color is this?
This is a metal rock. I know all kinds of rocks.
What color is this?
It's white. So that is a rock. It has a little bit hole. But it's very hard.
And it's
Oh, that is a sound. That is the most important rocks in the world. I never this is a rock. They cannot break like a brick.
Very
So
good. Milk proving that they're very strong. So we have that they're non-living, they're strong. You said it's gray.
Big rock in our feet. Ouch! My feet is so heavy. Push down. Push. I'm very ouchy.
Excellent, and they're also heavy. This is very good, Milk. I like that you acted out so we can really understand what you're trying to teach us about rocks. We don't have time to watch the rest in class, but I'll watch the rest of it on my own as well, Milk, and let you know if I have anything else to say about it. Very good job. Okay, let's take a look at Puppy's video. Since Puppy shared about her rock, we'll just show part of it.
Hello everybody, my name is Puppy. Today I will talk about my rock. I found my rock at the park near my house. It is a gray color, then my dad colored it green and red to make a tomato toy. It is an oval shape.
Oval, very
It
good.
is hard.
Excellent.
I use it to play Shopkin for dolls.
Very good. It's oval, it's hard, and you use it as a toy. Excellent work, Puppy. Very nice. Thank you for sharing. And lastly, here we have Pasta's video.
Hello everyone. My name is Pasta. I'm 6 years old, and today I will talk about my rock. My rock is heavy, big, it is pretty smooth. Its color is brown, and it's almost like a circle. Rocks is used in many ways, like building, decoration, and other things.
Very good. Building,
It
decoration.
is a natural resource too. Mine is found in my bedroom. You can find them in many places, like dams or rivers.
Excellent. You talked about places we can find rocks, about what rocks are like, what we can use them for.
Like forests,
Forest.
or find in the playground.
Excellent. Very good job, Pasta. Nice work. Okay, so with that, let's go into today's work. Here we are. So today we are going over Earth's resources, lesson 1 again. This is the last resource we'll learn about. We're almost done with lesson 1. What resources have we already learned? Pasta, can you give me 2?
Air and water.
Very good. Air, water. Excellent job. And Nam, can you give me 2? Nam, are you there?
Yes.
What are 2 more resources that we've learned about? So far we have air, water.
Air and water.
Can you tell me 2 more that we've learned about? Maybe some living things?
Living and non-living.
Yes, so air and water are non-living. What else have we learned about though? We've learned about 5 resources. Air, water, and 3 more. Do you remember one of them?
Plant and animal.
Excellent. Plants, animals, and then one we just watched a video about. Who remembers the one we just watched a video about? Banana?
What?
What's the last natural resource we learned? We just watched Puppy and Pasta and Milk's video about them.
About rock?
Rocks. Very good. Banana, can you read these 5 natural resources for us?
Yes.
Go.
Air, plant, water, rocks.
Very good. Thank you. Let's go over your homework now, your read and color. Here's all the homeworks that I've got. First is banana. Excellent coloring, Banana. It looks beautiful. Here is Sino's. Sino, can you read number 1 and the answer?
What food comes from a plant? Color is red. An apple.
Very good, and I see you colored them red. Excellent work. All right, here's Blue Moon's. Blue Moon wrote it on another piece of paper. That's great. I love when you all still do your homework even when you can't print. This is amazing, Blue Moon. And you even drew the picture yourself. Very good job. All right, I see that. Here we go. All right, Zook did the same thing. He drew it all by hand as well. Excellent job, Zook. Zook, can you read number 2 in the answer?
What are the resources of plants? Leaf.
Excellent. What other resources are plants? Leaf. Excellent job. Thank you, Zook, and beautiful drawing. Very proud of that. Next one, here we go, milks. Excellent job. So Zook put leaves Milk put something else. Milk put tree. I'll take either one. You could also write, there's one more plant in this picture. So there's one more thing that you could write here. Let's see if someone else writes it. Beautiful drawing, Milk. Here's Taylor's. Taylor wrote the other thing. Taylor, can you read your number 2 and the answer for us?
Okay. What are the results of plants? Color them green. The grass.
The grass, very nice. So we have trees, leaves, grass. Excellent job. All right, here's Funny's. Funny filled in the correct answers. And I see you put grass for number 2. Very good, Funny. Here's George. George, can you read number 3 and tell us the answer?
Tree one result is an animal, a cow.
A cow. Very good. And remember, cow is spelled C-O-W. Very nice. And I like how you colored in the spot on the cow, George. Here's Pastas. Pasta drew each individual thing since he couldn't print it out. Very good, Pasta. Here's Puppy's. Very nice job, Puppy. Puppy also wrote cow for number 3, and you have a very good drawing, Puppy. Here's Hainam. Nam, very good job on drawing it, even though you couldn't print it out. Excellent work. Here's Rosie's. Rosie, could you read number 4 in the answer? Sorry.
What colors do we drink? Water.
Excellent job. And this drawing is so good. Here's Sam's. Sam, very nice work. And Sam wrote apple, tree, and grass. Excellent job, Sam. And that's everybody's. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here on Sam's. Is everybody ready to draw?
Yeah, yes.
All right, let's draw. Everyone circle the natural resources that are animals. Which natural resources are animals? All right, nice, looking good. Mostly correct. We had a couple people circle plants. Let's try this one. Circle the natural resources that are plants. Where are the plants? Nice, we have people circling grass. People found the bush in the back. Excellent job. Everyone circle the natural resource that is a rock. Where is a rock? Very nice, Taylor, good. Pasta, Nam. All right, everyone circle the natural resource that is the air. Where is the air? Good job, guys. It's everywhere, isn't it? Some people circled the tree. The tree makes oxygen for us to breathe. Animals like us breathe out air as well. Excellent job, everybody. Okay, so today we're going to be learning about this. What is this? What do you see in this picture? Blue Moon, what do you see in this picture, Blue Moon?
Soil.
Soil, very good. And what else do you see in this picture? Ben 10?
I just see plants.
Excellent. Plants. Anything else, Ben?
I only can see soil and plants.
What's behind the plants? What's above the plants? What's above the plants? What's blue up here?
Quite remember.
That's okay. Good job. So we have soil, we have plants, And what's blue above the plants? Tiger? What's this blue stuff back here? Okay, I'll come back to you guys. So the blue stuff back here is the sky, right? The sky is up here. All right, so we have the sky back here. Sky, soil, plants. What is soil? Sophia, what is soil? Hello. What do you think soil is?
Soil is natural resources.
Excellent. So first thing, soil is a natural resource. But there are lots of natural resources. So what is soil exactly? Susu?
Soil is the food of the plants.
Is the food of the plants, or maybe the home of the plants? The nutrients are there, which are like its food. You're right. Excellent job. And let's see, raise your hand in your video if you have any other, anything else you want to add about what soil is. How about Sam?
It is dirt. It is home for plants and animals, like worms, or like plants or grass.
All right, very good, guys. So it's dirt, it's the home for plants and animals. This is the official definition. Cherry, can you read this for me?
Soil is the top layers of earth.
Excellent. It's the top layer of earth. And what is earth, Cherry?
Earth is something is living here.
Excellent, right? It's the whole thing. It's the whole world. So the very top layer, not the bottom, right? Here's bottom, here's middle, and here's top. It's the top layer. It's what we stand on. The bottom layer would be closest to the center of the earth. The soil is on the outside of the earth. Okay, so if I draw a big circle, everyone draw a little dot at the center, at the middle of the earth. Draw a dot at the middle. Nice, puppy. Good. All right, we have some around the earth out here, but here you're right. So the middle of the earth is right here. So the middle of the earth is right here. Where would be the top layer of earth where the soil is? Everyone draw around the top layer of the earth. Nice, Moon, George, Milk, very good. Excellent, so it's more on the outside, on the top. So here is the middle, and these X's are the top layer where the soil is. Here we have the soil. The soil's around the top layer of the earth. All right, here we have the rocks. Here are the rocks that make up the earth. And then here is the very middle of the earth. So let's have one more person read that definition of soil for us. Tom, can you read that for us again?
Soil is a top layer of earth.
Very good. And the top layer, is the top layer here or is it here?
Here.
Good, on top. Very nice, Tom. All right, where can you find soil, Funny?
Under the ground.
Under the ground, good. How far under the ground? Does it go really far underground? Is it just on top?
So far under the ground.
Maybe, yeah. I think it depends where you're looking on Earth. Sometimes the soil can go far down. Sometimes the soil's just a foot or two. Sometimes the soil's just half a meter deep. And then the rock, and then there's rock. It just depends. It depends where you're looking. Do you find soil on top of plants? Dragon?
Yes.
Hi, Dragon. Can you find soil on top of the plants, Dragon?
No, just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Good. Where's the soil? It's
Under.
under the plants. Very good, Dragon. So we find soil under the plants on the top layer of the earth. What does it look like? What does soil look like? Moon, what does it look like, Moon?
It looks like water.
The soil looks like water?
Yes.
How does it look like water? Let's remember our descriptive words that we learned about rocks. Let's think of some words we can use to talk about soil. Moon, can you try again? What does the soil look like? What words can you use to describe it? Color, shape, size.
Size.
Size, what size is it?
It's small.
Small, good. Soil is lots of small pieces. Good job, Moon. You're right, it's lots of small pieces. How about Ray? Ray, what do you think soil looks like, or what would it feel like?
It feels smooth.
Good. Some soil feels smooth. The smaller the pieces, the more smooth it feels, like sand. Let's see. How about Tom? Can you tell me anything else? What does it look or feel like?
It's color. It's brown.
Good. Soil is brown. Excellent job, Tom. And Zook. Zook, what does soil look or feel like?
Soil is small.
Is small. We already have soil has lots of small pieces. Can you think of something else, Zook?
It means soil helps the plant grow.
Oh, the soil helps plants grow. So that would be it has nutrients for the plants. It holds water for plants. There's lots of water in soil. All right, let's do one more. Squirt, go ahead, Squirt.
Soil is brown or black.
All right, so I'll add or black here. What do you think it feels like?
It feels soft.
It feels soft. Do you think it always feels soft? What do
No.
you see in the little video on the side? It feels soft, or how do you think that soil feels right there?
I don't remember the word.
Maybe it feels bumpy or rough or chunky. What do you think? Chunky means it has bigger pieces. Rough, remember rough like a rock instead of smooth? Which one do you think?
Rough.
Rough. All right, it can feel soft or rough. Very good job, puppy. All right, and sorry, I have a typo right here. This is plants, not plans. Soil helps plants grow. Okay. Very nice work, everyone. How can people use soil? Pasta, how can we use it?
To build bricks.
Excellent, to make bricks. Very good. All right, and how about milk?
To make plants grow.
Excellent, to make plants grow. Okay, and raise your hand in your video if you have any other ideas Taylor?
To play.
Oh, to play in it. You're right. We can make mud pies. And let's see. Raise your hand in your video if you have something else. Nam, did I see you raise your hand?
To make a house.
To make a house?
Build house.
Okay, to build. Can you say to build houses?
Yes. Yes.
Go ahead, say to build houses. Say
Houses.
good, thank you. All right, to build houses. Banana, did you have something to add?
Yes.
Go ahead.
To make toys.
Oh, to make toys. That's a fun one. Excellent. These are some really great ideas, everybody. Okay, so let's take a look now. Here, have you used soil before? Everyone, have you used soil before?
Yes. Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
Some of you have, some of you haven't. I heard someone say they have a question. Raise your hand if you had a question. Did someone have a question to ask me? Sam, was it you?
I question before you have talk.
Oh, okay. Did you have another way we can use soil?
Yes, we use soil. Some people decoration it, and sometimes people dig it to find the bone of the dinosaurs.
Excellent. Very interesting. You're right. We can use soil in more ways. That's a great answer, Sam. So did someone have a question to ask me? I heard someone say they had a question. Puppy, did you have a question?
My tree make a fruit.
Your tree made a fruit?
Yes.
That's very cool. But did someone have a question about soil? Did someone have a question to ask me? I see a lot of hands now. Sina, did you have a question to ask me?
Yes.
What was your question?
Why is soil important to plants?
Why is it important to plants? Plants need soil to put their roots in or else they'll blow away. So it helps them stand up with their roots in the soil. It's also where they can get water, the water in the soil, and they get nutrients to help them grow. It's like food for them.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go on. Great question, Sino. Okay, so a lot of us have used soil before. Blue Moon, have you used soil before?
Yes.
What did you use it for?
Build.
To build. Oh, very cool. Right, a lot of us have used soil before to grow plants, to build. Cherry, can you read this for me? Oh, I see you. We can't hear you, Cherry. I'll come back to you for the next question, okay? Once you figure out your sound, I'll come back to you. George, can you read this for us, please? With good pronunciation.
Soil is a natural resource too. Soil is the top layer of earth. We use soil to grow plants. We can also use it to make things. We can use bricks for building.
Excellent. So what were the two ways it says we can use soil, George?
What?
George, what are the two ways that it says we can use soil?
We can use soil to grow plants. We can use soil to build.
Excellent. All right, and Tiger and Dragon, you're going to answer the same question. Is this Tiger and Dragon? Yes. What are the two ways that we can use soil?
What is soil?
Excellent, to plant things. And then what's the second way we can use soil?
To build brick.
Excellent. Very good. Excellent work, boys. Okay, so what is soil? Let's see if Cherry's fixed her microphone. Cherry, what is soil? Cherry, can we hear you? I'm sorry, Cherry. Ben 10, what is soil?
Soil is natural resources.
And what's the next sentence say?
Soil is the top layer of earth.
Very good. Is the top layer this one or this one?
The top layer.
Oh, very good. The top one. Okay, and we have one more question here. Actually, we kind of answered that one, so let's look at this. What natural resource does soil help make? Funny. Funny, where did your name go? You're always changing your name, Funny, and I can't find you.
Hello, Miss Miranda.
Okay. Funny, what natural resource does soil help make? What's a natural resource that soil helps make?
Like plants.
Plants, right? And plants are also a natural resource, but plants need soil. So Moon, how is this boy using soil?
He took the soil and he plants to a tree.
Excellent job. He's using the soil to plant a tree so it can grow. Great answer, Moon. Okay, so here are how these natural resources use other natural resources, like how plants need the natural resource of soil. So some animals use what? What's the next one after the arrow? Ray? Some animals need other. Good. Can you say the whole sentence?
Some animals need other animals.
Excellent. To eat, right? Some animals need other animals. What would be the next one? Susu.
Other animals eat plants.
Excellent job. Other animals need the natural resource plants. And Rosie, what do plants need? Rosie, what do plants need?
And need soil.
Excellent. Plants need soil. So, Sophia, you get the big question. What natural resources do all animals and plants need? What two natural resources do all animals and plants need?
Air.
And?
Water.
Very good. So here are 5 of our natural resources: air, water, plants, animals, and soil. They all need each other. There's water in the soil. Plants and animals need air and water. Animals need animals. Animals need plants. Plants also need animals. Susu, how do plants need animals?
To eat.
No, so how do plants need animals? So how do plants use animals? To spread
Pollen.
Yeah, to spread pollen, to spread their seeds. Excellent job, Susu. So all of these things need natural resources. Sam, please stop requesting my screen. Here is your, Sam, please stop. Here is your homework for tonight. You can print it or write it on a piece of paper. So, first, fill in letter A. the main idea. A blank is anything from nature that people can use. And then fill in letters B and C. People use blank for drinking, cleaning, and cooking. People and many animals breathe blank. All right, and then answer question number 4. Why are animals a natural resource? Make sure you say why and then explain. Explain why. So this is your homework tonight, okay? And that's all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, everybody.